After cochlear implant activation, my favourite songs sounded like robots drowning. I thought music was gone forever. Then I discovered it wasn't about which songs I played, it was about where I played them. 5 music types work consistently for cochlear implant users, and a listening method that happens naturally once you know how. Let's get into it. The first music type that works is electronic and synthesizer music. Your cochlear implant makes everything sound electronic anyway. When the original music is already electronic, there's less of a mismatch. Your CI turns everything into electronic signals. Acoustic instruments get mangled in translation, but synthesizers are already electronic. But here's what changes everything about electronic music. Rhythm perception is near normal in cochlear implant users. Electronic music is built on rhythm. Steady beats, predictable patterns. It's like buying a hammer and discovering it's also a perfect bottle opener. Electronic music is your CI's accidental superpower. Pet Shop Boys, West End Girls, Billie Eilish's Bad Guy, Duran Duran, Ordinary World. These work because they are electronic from the start. One synthesizer line works, 5 playing different melodies become noise. Stick around because the listening method I'll reveal later uses something you already do every day, and it works subconsciously while you're doing other things. The second music type that works is stripped down acoustic. 1 voice and 1 guitar. Your CI can handle that. Add a second instrument like light drums, still okay. But add bass, backing vocals, keyboards, and suddenly everything blurs into noise. It's like trying to read 5 books at once. You catch fragments of each but understand none of them. Tracy Chapman's Fast Car is perfect, just a voice and guitar. Bruce Springsteen's Tougher Than the Rest, same thing. Ed Sheeran's earlier acoustic work before the heavy production. Even the Crystals' Daddy Kissed Me from the 60s, simple 60s production with clear vocals. What nobody tells you is this: start with familiar melodies. If you loved Simon and Garfunkel before your hearing loss, search YouTube for the acoustic live versions. Your brain isn't learning new music, it's learning to hear old patterns through new hardware. Which brings me to the third type, country and classic rock. Country and classic rock work for the same reason. Research found CI users rated country music as well as normal hearing listeners. Simple structure, clear vocals, straightforward production. Dolly Parton's country catalogue works brilliantly. Oasis' Wonderwall is literally 3 chords. REM's Losing My Religion with that clear mandolin. Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds. I've been to their concerts post-CI and actually enjoyed them. Sung lyrics are easier to understand than musical pitches when singers enunciate clearly. Your CI was built for speech. These music types treat vocals like speech. The mistake is trying modern production first. Don't. Go back to the 60s, 70s, and 80s where they couldn't lay out 100 guitar tracks. Now here's the listening method that changed everything, and you are already doing part of it without knowing. The multi-environment method. The highest performing CI users engage with music frequently across different environments. Different environments give your brain different information. Play a track in your car. Then through living room speakers turned up with bass, feel the vibrations. Then via direct input, Bluetooth streaming to your processor or a wired listening device. Your brain is a detective collecting clues. The bass you felt through speakers. The melody you caught in the car. The rhythm from direct input. After weeks of passive exposure, something clicks. Your brain solved the puzzle using pieces from all 3 environments. Car during commute, speakers at home, direct input while working. This applies to every music type I tried today. Now let's talk about the 4th type. Bass-heavy music. Modern pop, like Benson Boone's Beautiful Things. The Weeknd's Blinding Lights has that driving bass line. Dance tracks with repetitive bass like Daft Punk's Get Lucky. Now here's where your body helps your CI. You feel bass through vibration even when your CI misses it. Playing music out loud through speakers makes this work. Physical vibration through furniture and floors. But your body feels them. Your brain combines what you hear with what you feel. 2 incomplete signals become 1 complete picture. It's like reading lips when someone talks. Neither works perfectly alone, but together they create understanding. Find tracks where the bass line is melodic. If you can hum it, it will work. The fifth type is film soundtracks, but only specific ones. Full orchestra can be terrible with a CI. John Williams' Star Wars scores sound overwhelming. Full orchestra has 80 instruments fighting for your 20 channels. Simple soundtracks have 5 instruments with space between them. Your CI can actually separate and process each one. Hans Zimmer Inception soundtrack, the track time works for me. Clear layers, simple bass, space in the production. The Stranger Things theme has that minimal synth approach. If this insight helped, there's a buy me a coffee link in the description. Those are the 5 music types that consistently work for CI users. I put every song I mentioned in the description below. Try them with that multi-environment approach. Start with one that sounds familiar. Drop one specific track that works for your CI in the comments. I'm building a community playlist. If this helped, subscribe for more honest CI content. See you in the next video.